Hi, Dr. Bob Miller here. If you want to control some sort of machinery from a PC using USB, then in this video series, I'm going to show you how you can get more flexibility and better control by using more than one USB interface. We're getting started right now. First, let's set the scene. It was a dark and stormy night around Halloween season. Here's a sneak peek at the end result of what we're going to build. Automate Frankenstein's laboratory. In this video series, I'll show you how to control hardware from a PC using USB Human Interface Device, or HID, communication. To make it fun during this Halloween season, we'll use a made-up story with fictitious characters to show what they're trying to build and why they're doing it. The story is fake, but the software is real, a working simulation that you could build yourself. Meet Mo Frankenstein. He's the great-great-great-grandson of Victor Frankenstein. You see, Mo Frankenstein has inherited a lot of money from the movie royalties, and he is eager to start a business. He wants to sell updates of the Frankenstein lab equipment because he figures he can make a killing on the internet. Yeah, ew. Mo hires a local development shop, Transylvania Techies, to do the work. The Techies were a bit leery at first, but business has been slow in Transylvania due to the pandemic, and they really need the business, so they took the job. The first version has been coming along nicely, but when they got about 90% done, suddenly Mo wanted to make substantial changes. Now, if you're a developer, you've seen last-minute changes like that before, haven't you? Buddy of mine, John Painter, used to joke that they'd want it to levitate, raise the dead. Trouble is, Mo Frankenstein really does want that. He wants to add those as new killer features. The Levitate feature automatically floats the gurney up into the sky so it can get closer to the lightning. Mo says that's a feature. Hey, no more heavy lifting. That Raise the Dead feature automates some of the tedious wheel-turning stuff that Victor Frankenstein had to do by hand. Mo plans to name the updated version as Bring 'em Back Alive Pro. You know, marketing guys. Luckily, the Transylvania Techies folks are using HIDmaker, so they know that making a last-minute change to their generated code is like a 15-minute job to add any new USB transfer variables, and then they can just copy their custom code into the new generated code. They decide to add a second HID interface for the new features because it's really easy to do that in HIDmaker. And that I don't have access to Transylvania Techies' proprietary design, and I certainly do not have Mo Frankenstein's 20,352-volt electrical lab equipment. No way. But with a little imagination, we can still follow along with their basic approach, using readily available PIC development boards to make a simulation that shows you how the Transylvania Techie might have done this. So please join us in our next episode and see how it's done. Question of the day. What sort of projects would you make if you could easily create USB source code that uses multiple USB interfaces, which is data channels? Thanks for checking out this video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. If you want to, check out that free Secrets of Successful USB Developers guide with tips on getting your USB projects working end-to-end, really fast, every single time. Watch this next video to learn more about the substantial benefits of using USB HID to control real machinery. Click or tap the screen in the description below.